Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you a brand new way on how you can stream movies and TV shows onto your iOS device, guys. Now this has no revokes at all, and it is 100% permanent as long as you do not delete it. Now, please do remember that due to my channel and the amount of viewers and people that will click on this link, there is a good chance that the owner of it uses a server that cannot support this much traffic. So after a couple hundred people click on the link, even 50, there's a chance that the website might crash and go down. So if it starts saying is not available, it is more likely because you get too many people went onto the website and caused it to crash. So please do keep that in mind when clicking on this website and if it does not work. So anyways guys, this app, my personal opinion about it is I don't think it has a bright future. I don't think it's going to be a competitor for MovieBox or anything like that. I see it as more of a kind of like a fun little thing that the team is making. And what I think they should do is I think they should contact somebody like Bobby Movie, since they already have a web app, and then once they have Bobby Movie in contact, try to work with them, maybe combine their web app with their service or something like that. In my opinion, that's what I think they should do. I think they should do something like that. I can easily get them in contact with Bobby Movie because I do have a good contact with them. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Can I get 170 likes? Also, if you're new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Hey guys, I'm on my iPhone now, as you can see, so we're going to go to the link inside of the description. You're going to look for Alt Swim, click on View More. Once you guys do that, scroll down until you see a download button. Go ahead and click that download button. It should redirect you to the settings to install a profile. Go ahead and click Install again, click Install again, then you can go ahead and click Done. If it asks you for your iPhone password, go ahead and enter it in. So now we can look for the app. Here it is right here, so I can go ahead and click on that, open it up. Now all we have to do is wait for it to load. And there we go. So now we're going to swipe to the right or left, and then until you see the get started, and there you guys go. This is the app right here. I do like the way they look. I like that the app is something new that it hasn't been done before other than the Bobby HD, but this one's more of a, I don't know, it looks a lot better. It looks more well done, not just something that was kind of rushed through. If you go all the way over to the third option on the bottom, this is all of the movies and TV shows they currently have. So for example, as you see, there's some movies and some TV shows. I'm going to click on Rick and Morty. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click on Watch. I'm going to go to Season 3, and my favorite episode of Season 3 was Morty's Mind Blowers. So I can go and click on that, click the play button, and wait. Eventually it will pop up, and it will start playing. As you guys can see, it will actually go ahead and start playing just like this. I can even go into the little picture-in-picture kind of deal. But I'm going to go ahead and close out of this before I do get a copyright strike for playing a few seconds of that. So I'm going to go ahead and play a movie now. I'm going to go ahead and back out and go to a movie. For example, I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of a Star Wars movie now. So if I scroll down and go to Watch, if I go to any of these Star Wars movies and click on it, then all I gotta do is click on the play button, and since this is a movie that's probably 2 hours long, it will take a few seconds for it to load, guys. So let's go ahead and wait. As you can see, it's loaded and it started playing, so I'm going to go ahead and skip all the way out until like the middle of the movie or something, so you can see a little picture of it to show it's even real. As you guys can see, there's even more proof that it is real right there. Now, this is an app. I hope they do continue developing it. I hope they take my advice and take it to Bobby Movie to combine Bobby's movie service with the UI of this app and become partners. I think that would cause this app to be put over the top and actually become really, really good. So, I mean, as you see, they have other movies on here too. It's something you can put on your phone, just kind of cool to have, look at it, things like that. But yeah, that is basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. Do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment on what you think about this app. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.